My mother nearly killed me more than once while I was in her womb. She also tried to kill me after I was born, since I was nothing but a burden. My body was weak, like a withered leaf, but I clung to life with the strength I had left. Worm, moron, cretin, coward, good-for-nothing deadweight. I was mocked for my ugly voice and appearance. Sometimes they'd even throw rocks at me for it. Soon, though, things started to change for me. After Ume was born, call it wishful thinking, but I really had the feeling that we were on the fast track to a better life. Until...